In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify store ownership. This is an essential process for anyone looking to pass on the responsibilities and controls of their Shopify store to someone else, whether it's due to selling your business, changing roles within your company, or any other reason. To begin, let's clarify what we mean by the term store owner on Shopify. The store owner account is critical as it holds full access rights to vital functions such as billing, plan changes, and the legal or business settings of your Shopify store. It's different from other types of accounts you might have, like staff or collaborators, which generally have restricted access limited by the permissions you assign to them. Understanding this distinction is important because it underscores why the transfer of ownership must be handled methodically. Now, let's dive into the actual steps for transferring ownership. If you have a regular Shopify store, the first thing you'll want to do is add the new owner as a staff member if they aren't already part of your team. You'll find yourself in the Shopify admin panel, specifically within the settings under Users and Permissions. Here, you'll want to click Add Staff and send out an invitation to the person destined to become the new owner. Once you've invited the new owner as a staff member, you're ready to shift ownership to their account. Return to that same Users and Permissions page and locate your current owner account. There should be a clear option titled Transfer Store Ownership appearing next to your name. By selecting this option, you'll be guided to choose the staff member's account that you want to take on the new ownership. Make sure you confirm this transfer. After this, the ball is in the new owner's court. The invited person might need to accept an email invitation or simply log into Shopify to confirm their new role as the store owner. It's an integral step for making the switch official. Next, it's crucial to update the billing and business information associated with the store. This includes transferring or updating the payment method, business address, contact email, domain information, and details related to Shopify payments if you use them. Completing these updates ensures that all invoices, legal documents, and payout information are directed to the right person going forward. And that's it. You're done. Transferring your Shopify store ownership can seem daunting, but when broken down into these steps, it becomes a clear and manageable process. It's highly advisable to double-check each step and ensure all changes have been appropriately executed to avoid any future issues. Now, you can confidently pass on your digital storefront to its new owner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.